Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Sasi Kumar Singh. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. In this video, I am going to tell you about a beautiful product which has been made by Forever Living Products Company, and this is very useful for your skin. This product at present is here in my hand, and I am going to show you how it looks. So here is the product that I am going to talk about. You will find it is written Aloe moisturizing lotion. I hope you are able to see it. Then on top of this, you will find the logo of this company, Forever Living Products Company. So I am going to tell you the benefits of this using these products. Now, when you are exposed to the bad weather conditions, when you go out in the hot sun, when the wind is blowing faster, the dust particles are blowing into the air, and you are exposed to it, you get affected. Your skin is getting badly affected. So what you should do to protect your skin from such bad conditions? So this product has such ingredients that help to not only moisturize your skin but also strengthen the texture of your skin. It makes your skin smooth and keep your skin glowing. So if you continue using these products, you will feel that it is certainly going to give you the good results. Now, what it contains? First of all, it is made of pure aloe vera gel, which is known as Aloe Barbados Miller. Apart from this, it also has proteins which are uh, good for your skin, like its name is collagen and elastin. These two types of proteins helps in building up the cells of your skin. Not only that, it helps to make it stronger. It helps to make your skin cells stronger and make it smooth and flexible, so that the appearance of the skin is presentable, it looks better. Apart from this, it also has three things like vitamin E, then you have jojoba and apricot kernel oil. So all these combined together makes it an ideal choice for you if you are suffering from dry skin or your skin has been affected by bad weather conditions, or you want to make your skin glow better. So these are the things in this, and how to use it. You have to apply on your face, on your hand, your body, and till that time this cream is slightly thick, very soft. It is like a silk, so it is very soft, and you apply it wherever you feel your skin is damaged. Apply it and till that time, massage it till the time it is absorbed into your skin. So I hope this is going to help you, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and be being with me for this so much of time. I am very thankful to you all and request you to be continuing watching my video. I will be coming and making these videos, uh, informative videos for all of you. But for that, you have to subscribe my channel, and mm, so that I feel like it is being watched by you and you are able to get benefited from my videos. If you are interested to know more about this such type of products that helps you look better and feel better from Forever Living Company, then I am available for all such type of informations. If you want to go to my description box and find out the links, I have a link for you which is for webinar, free webinar. If you watch these webinars, you will be able to understand how you are going to generate multiple source of income in your life. So please visit my description box also. And there are other links also which will help you to know about me, about my videos. And if you go through all these things, and if you are interested to contact me, you are welcome to join me and with me in the my endeavor to start your own business. I am going to provide you all help to become successful in Forever Living Products Company. So making your team or either retailing the products, whatever, whichever way you are, is possible. So I request you to visit my description box and understand by knowing all this uh, about this company as well as its products. So thank you so much being